Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here to do a quick Amazon haul. It's the Paris Corner Rifaaqat, I think. And the notes are a captivating blend of elemi, pink pepper, and vanilla with smoky leather notes, sophisticated and alluring vanilla perfume experience. And this is a unisex. I will tell you if it's unisex or not. Let me find the actual listing or is it even on there? Okay, yeah. It's elemi, pink pepper, black pepper, creating a vibrant, spicy opening. Middle notes are saffron, olibanum, luxurious, resinous heart with leathery warmth. Base notes are vanilla, cedarwood for sweet, woody, and comforting finish. Now, this is a dupe for YSL Baby Cat. Now, this is more of a fall scent, but I was really excited to try this because I really want to. Yeah, that's my reasoning. So I know this is legit because of the seller from Amazon and it was how much? It was $26, which is more than I usually spend, but it's really $26 for a perfume is nothing. The YSL one would be probably 100. I can't, hold on. Ooh, that is good. Yeah, that is definitely, I don't know if it's too heavy. Maybe not for nighttime. Oh, I smell that leather. This is definitely unisex. But it would smell, of course, differently on a man than a woman, which I like about the unisex. Ooh. That is good. You guys should get this. That is sexy. That is like, reminds me of a cowboy with leather chaps on. That is like ambery, leathery, vanilla, but not gourmand. This is not a gourmand at all. It's luxury. That's what it smells like. Okay, the Tomcat. Okay. So thank you guys for being here for that. Gentlemen, ladies, I mean, I kind of feel like a spring night, this wouldn't be too heavy. But daytime, especially in the California heat, do not wear this. It's too heavy. But I would say spring night or even wear it to bed. Is that weird? I'd wear this to bed. And it's not a light scent. I would not mind rolling around smelling like this. Yeah, this is one of my favorites for sure. I'm not going to save the box. There's nothing special about it. Plus the bottle is nice. I like the bottle on its own. Okay, thank you guys for that. Always check out Amazon, but if not on Amazon, if you see it, always check AliExpress and Temu before you buy it on Amazon. You know what I'm saying? Just check. As you know, I've had very good experiences with AliExpress and Temu. It's never 100% that you're going to get the real thing. I get it, but I mean, I've had good luck with it. And you're paying literally most of the time half the price for the same thing. Like, just check it out. Take my word for it. And I will see you guys soon. Make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my merch. Definitely hype this video. Go down to the right, swipe this way. You'll see the hype button. And yeah, it's free to hype. So why wouldn't you do it? And make sure you like this video and put down below in the comments if you have any perfumes, like they have to be affordable. Like affordable dupes, I would say, or inspired. I like to say inspired better, especially when you're talking about like a luxury brand. It just feels, nicer to say that. But I love to do Arabic perfumes, any of the Middle Easterns. If you have one you want me to try, put it down below and I will see what I can do about it. And I will see you guys soon. Love y'all. Bye.